So in the last video, we made a system for the AI controller to switch the subset from run to walk. Today, we're going to go the other way. We're going to go from walk to run. And since we already built the controller, going from walk to run should be a little easier. I'm going to go into my states folder, AI transitions, AI transition condition script. Here I'm going to create a new transition type, walk to run. And in this function where we're checking the timing for the transition, I think I'm just going to do the opposite. So first have the if statement, copy paste from above, and the only difference is that if there is a minimum distance, if there's some sort of distance between the character and the star sphere, a runnable distance, for now I just decided that it's 2, and then we start running. So I'm going to go back to Unity, and I'm going to create a new scriptable object under the AI section. Name it AI transition walk to run, and I'm going to set up the variables. This is walk to run, and next AI is run. So I'm going to go into the YBot animator, the walk animator, and inside the walk state, start walking, I'm just going to add walk to run, just like how we did run to walk. And I'm going to click play, see what happens. Okay, looks fine. So anytime there's a distance between the AI and the target position, if the distance is more than 2, the AI is just going to start running. So now we have an AI that runs most of the time, unless the distance is shorter than 2. Okay, seems to be working fine. Okay, it's not perfect. Like, I just saw that the AI runs and stops before falling, but those kind of details I'll take care of later on. But I'm happy that I have an AI that tries to get to the target as fast as possible. Okay, that was awfully short, but I guess that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.